Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. Today I'll be sharing with you my personal favorite recipe. I always make this gluten-free cake for my family. It's super easy to make and it tastes really good. You can see how soft this cake turns out, and trust me, it's going to get finished really soon once you bake it. So let's get started. In a bowl, I have taken some milk and then I'm going to add vinegar to it. So if you're adding milk, make sure it's lukewarm, it's not very warm. This helps the vinegar to easily curdle the milk, and then before that keep it aside for 5 minutes so that it curdles properly. Then after that we are going to add the other ingredients, that is your sugar. You can use any sugar if you like, just avoid jaggery. And then I've added oil and coffee powder because jaggery makes it really will make it really sticky. Mix it really well, don't over mix it or else the cake might sink inside. Then I'm adding my dry ingredients, that's the cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda and jowar flour. Mix everything really well till the batter consistency is formed. And I also add xanthan gum. So if you attended my classes, you will always see that I've added xanthan gum. It helps in binding of the cake, and it gives a good texture for any gluten-free cake. I've added little walnuts into it, and now I'm pouring in a 6-inch cake tin. I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes till the toothpick comes out really clean. And also make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can even follow me on Instagram if you have any queries with the recipes. We also post a lot of healthy recipes on the page. I've piped some chocolate ganache on top of this cake. So for ganache I use a 2:1 ratio, but if you're wanting to make something vegan or healthy, I prefer using the Amul dark chocolate, and as it's vegan and it has even sugar-free options. And for the cream I use coconut cream or coconut milk. So hope you like this recipe and do try it and let me know your feedback.